Today we're going to be talking about the mature adult motor skill pattern for activity of sliding. Now, beginning with the preparation phase, you're going to want to lead with your lead and trail foot. Both are going to be about hip width apart, facing forward, perpendicular to the direction you're moving, and you're going to want to have weight on the balls of your feet. With the lead hip and trail hip, you're going to be about hip width apart. They're going to be slightly bent forward, so you're leaning forward a little bit, and your hips are going to be facing forward. With your arms, they're going to want to be in athletic position. This is going to be at the side with elbows bent and palms facing inwards. And the hands are going to be in front of the body. With the knees, they will be slightly bent and facing forward, and your head is going to be up and facing forward. In the execution phase, your lead foot is going to take a sideways step away from the body in line with the lead hip. Now the trail foot is going to initially remain in the starting position until the lead foot hits the floor. Once it hits the floor, that trail foot is going to push off of the ground and travel to the lead foot, so they are side by side. At that point, both feet should be off the floor at the same time, leading to what we call flight. Once they reach floor at the same time, the lead foot will begin again the next sideways step, leading to the next execution phase. The trail foot will land first, and the feet will never cross. In the lead hip, for the execution phase, your lead hip will abduct, and your trail hip, there will be a forced adduction, while your front hip sideways steps. They'll both be brought together with the trail hip will be brought together with the lead hip upon trail foot traveling. With your arms, they're going to be at the same position through the execution phase and as well as the follow-through phase, at the side with the elbows bent and with hands in front of the body in that athletic position. The knees, much similar to the arms and the head, are going to be in the same position throughout the activity in the execution phase and the follow-through phase, with being slightly bent and facing forward, and the head will continue to be up and facing forward. With the follow-through phase, you will be finished and your feet will go back to shoulder width apart, beginning the same thing as preparation phase, and your next slide will begin. With the lead hip, both hips will be in line with both feet off of the floor, and your lead hip will sideways step with your lead foot. Your trail hip will remain in position while the trail foot begins the next movement. And the arms, knees, and head will be in the same position, so arms will be at the side again with elbows bent and hands in front of the body. The knees will have a slight bend and facing forward, and your head will be up and facing forward.